Guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be basically solving this type of problem. This is a logarithmic equation, right? Because of the presence of ln. This ln means the natural logarithm. Okay, so we want to find the value of x in this equation. Now by this, you know the law of logarithm from here. Okay, solution, we will be applying the numerous law of logarithm here. You see in this one, okay, this is the equation ln square root of what? X minus ln 1 minus x equal to what? 2. Okay, now in this case, this is the same thing as saying ln root what? X all what? Square according to the law of logarithm minus ln what? 1 minus x equals to what? 2. But you see the presence of square root here and there's a square here. This one will what? Cancels out. You are left with what? Ln x minus ln what? 1 minus x is equal to what? 2. Now applying another what? Law of logarithm here. The law states that if you have a ln of p over q, is same thing as saying ln of what? P minus ln of what? Q. Okay, now from here we are going to apply that same law here. This implies that we are going to have ln of what? X all over what? 1 minus x is equal to what? 2. Okay, now you know this ln is equal to log to base e. Okay, now this implies that we are saying that log to base e of what? X all over 1 minus x is equal to what? 2. Okay, now let's move up here. Now I have log to base e of what? X all over 1 minus x is equal to 2. Okay, now I'm going to change this logarithmic equation into exponent. Okay, now applying the law of logarithm, that means that exponential 2 is equal to what? The whole of this. Okay, now this implies that I'm going to get x all over 1 minus x is equal to exponential what? 2. Okay, now what am I going to do? Since it is x that I want to find, I'll now cross multiply. Okay, this is like over 1 here, and this will cross, this x will multiply here. We are going to have x will multiply this. We are going to have 1 minus x into what? X exponential 2. Okay, this implies I'm going to have x is equal to opening this exponential 2 minus x exponential what? 2. Okay, remember it is x that we want to find, so we need to bring this x to come and meet its what? Counterpart here, right? Bringing this or collecting like term, we are going to have plus x 2 is equal to exponential what? 2. You can see that x is common between these two terms. Okay, this implies I'm going to bring out x, I'll get what? 1 plus exponential 2 equals to what? Exponential. Okay, remember it is x that we want to find, so what are we going to do? Let me bring it up here for you guys to see. I'll now work the side function of x here, right? This implies that what I have is that x into 1 plus exponential 2. So to get the value of x here, I'm going to divide what? Function 1 exponential 1 plus x 2. Okay, and then this one will cancels out. Our left exponential 2 all over 1 plus exponential what? 2. And this is the, okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to be updating you on how to solve this problem. Thank you, see you next time, and do well to my YouTube. Thank you. Bye.